everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's encode the logic. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to write a Python program to check whether a number is an odd number or an even number. So what is the basic rule that we know about an even number or an odd number? We know that a number is said to be an even number if it is divisible by 2. And a number is said to be an odd number if it is not divisible by 2, right? We know the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then 12, and so on and so forth, right? And the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on and so forth. Now, we need to write a program to check whether a number is an even number or odd number. Let us say the user will prompt the number 6, and the output should be like 6 is an even number. For suppose if the user will prompt a number 9, then the output should be like the number is an odd number. Okay, let's work on it. Let me take an even number. We know the 16 is an even number, right? Okay, let me divide the 16 with 2. So then 2 8s are 16. And the remainder was 0. The quotient was 8, right? Okay, let me take an odd number this time. I will take 19. And I will divide this 19 with 2. And we know 2 9s are 18. And my remainder was 1, right? Let me take a number 26 and divide this with 2. We know this is an even number. So 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2, it was 0. And then we need to get down this 6. And 2 3s are 6. And the remainder was 0, right? So the quotient was 13 and the remainder was 0. And an odd number, this time I will take 31. So 2 1s are 2. Here 3 minus 2, it was 1. And I need to down this 1. So 2 5s are 10. So the remainder was 1. The quotient was 15. Okay. We know this is an even number and this is an even number. And these are odd numbers, right? So if you observe one thing, whenever you are dividing an even number with 2, the remainder was 0. In every case, it was 0. But whenever you are dividing an odd number with 2, in every case, you will get 1 as the remainder, right? So, we can say that if the number is an even number, the remainder is 0. And if the number is an odd number, the remainder is 1. You can try taking with remaining numbers also. You will get the same result. For the even number, the remainder must be 0. And for the odd number, the remainder must be 1. Now, with these observations, let's write a code on it. Okay, let's figure out the logic in simple words. At first, we will prompt the user to enter the number. Later, we will check whether the number is giving the remainder as 0 when we divide the number with 2 or not, right? So, we know how to prompt a user, and now we need to know how to find out the remainder. So, we know we have a built-in operator to find out the remainder, right? So, every programming language has this modulus operator to find out the remainder. Okay. Let me take these numbers 16, 19, 26, and 31. I will do 16 mod 2. Then the output was 0, right? The remainder was 0. And then I will do 19 mod 2. The output was 1. Then I will do 26 mod 2. It was 0. And 31 mod 2. It was 1. And 78 mod 2. It was 0. And 79 mod 2. Of course, it would be 1. With the modulus operator, we can check the remainder easily, right? Okay, let's start writing coding. Program to check whether the number is an odd or even number, right? At first, we need to take the input from the user. So the input should be in integer format. That's why we kept int of, and the instruction was enter a number, right? And now we need to use an if clause. If n mod 2, if that is equal to 0, here we have used double equal to. In programming, we will use double equal to for the comparison. For the assignment, we will use single equal to. Okay. If n mod 2 equal to 0, then the output should be the number is an even number, right? Let's print that. The number is an even number, right? Or else print the number is an odd number, right? Okay, let me run this program. Okay, let me enter the number as 67. So 67 is an odd number. Let me run this program again. I will give 98. So 98 is an even number, right? Okay, let me do another modification. Here we are doing n mod 2 equal to 0. We can also keep double equal to 1. If n mod 2, if the remainder was 1, so what should I need to print? I need to print the number is an odd number, right? Or else if the remainder is not equal to 1, then we need to say it is an even number, right? So there is another modification. Let me run this program again. 125. It was an odd number, we know. And run this program again. I will give 500. So 500 is an even number. So this is the program to check whether the number is an odd number or an even number. So this is about the even odd program. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!